This is incredible. I'm getting it.
You getting what?
A stock.
What stock?
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Today, we're going to talk about SEALS Q, LAES. I'm going to go through every single PR this year because that's going to tell us the story of what's been going on with this stock throughout the entire year. It can also reveal any potential catalyst for 2025, which gives us an advantage because we're willing to go through every single PR this year, read through it, and figure out, okay, is there a catalyst potential for 2025? What's their PR strategy? That's also important to know. Knowing a company's PR strategy gives you an advantage over the people who aren't willing to put in this kind of work. Literally painstakingly go through every single PR to figure out, okay, what moves this stock? What's in the works for 2025? What's something that people could have missed that we didn't because we were diligent and we were willing to go through every single PR. So let's jump in here. This is going to be, it shouldn't be too long because I'm going to edit it down and just reveal whatever's important, at least from the most recent PRs, at least this year. All right, guys, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's jump into it. One of the most important things that happened with SEALSQ this year is regaining compliance with NASDAQ's minimum bid price requirement, or else they would have gotten delisted. So we don't have to worry about that in the future, especially with the stock sitting at almost $10. In another PR here, we see that SEALS Q 2023 was marked by strategic investment and advancements in new post-quantum chips aimed at elevating AI performance in semiconductors. These chips slated for commercialization in 2025 represent a giant leap in technology, combining superior AI capabilities with robust security features. Another important PR here, our investments in post-quantum resistant technology research and development are projected to yield strong returns from 2025 and onwards. And they did say that 2024 is a transitional year for them, which we all know what that means. It means not much is going to happen, at least with the company. The stock side of things, obviously, it's going to get the hype and pump. But they predict that in 2025, that's when they're going to start getting the strong returns. So it's going to be a very interesting 2025 to keep an eye on this one, see how it performs. We also have multiple PRs of SEALS Q expanding not only into the US, but also expanding its footprint in Asia, signing a distribution agreement with Japan, Okaya. SEALS Q to launch 2 new quantum resistant chips. These chips are planned for as early as Q4 2024. Despite temporarily slowdown in H1 2024, expects a stronger H2 and return to growth in 2025. They've been really hitting it home with, hey, 2024, it's not going to look that great, but 2025 is when the real party gets started. That's when the real party gets started, guys. That's what they're driving home with all these PRs. That's the one thing I've noticed is 2024, hey, it's not going to be that great, but 2025, watch out, we're coming and create a lot of revenue, which of course means shareholder value for the people who are holding the stock. Yeah, because we're not investing in it to lose money, right? Let's keep it real. The company anticipates a stronger H2 2024 and return to growth in 2025 as it expects supply chain issues and inventory issues to be resolved, thus demand for legacy customers to return to pre-shortage levels. Additionally, as reported in the company's H1 update, SEALSQ's robust new pipeline is valued at 71 million, reflective of new customers awaiting the company's next-gen semiconductors, the ones we just talked about, which it expects to be available in 2025. So again, as I've been saying, it looks like they're getting ready for a big year in 2025. And if they follow through, do not be surprised if the share price surges even further. Try to break out above $10, touched a high of 11, pulled back. You can see buyers and sellers are fighting for control of the stock. It was a Friday. There was a sell-off as expected. People are going to take profits. Monday, again, it's going to be very important to see if buyers step in and push it up higher. That's what we want to see. If we see sellers take control and we just keep dumping, we're going to, at that point, you just wait to see where it bottoms out. I mean, things don't go up forever, just like things don't go down forever. So it's just a matter of exercising that patience and discipline. If you're going to trade it, have a strategy long term, As a long-term hold, I don't know if I wouldn't want to hold it long-term right now. I would wait to see how the company performs 2025, because if you guys have been paying attention, they really think that 2025 is going to be a big year for them. Like 2024, okay, whatever, but 2025, watch out. We're coming with these new chips. We got all these customers waiting for these new chips. Let's see how they perform 2025. From a trader's point of view, there will be plenty of opportunities, right? But long term, I would wait to see if they can prove themselves, right? Oh, but Shades, I'm going to miss out if it goes from 10 to 100. Fine. If you really do believe in this one, get in right now then. Sure. I'm not going to stop you. You do what you want to do, right? You just take the due diligence and apply it as you will to your strategy, or if you're investing long, go ahead and go long on it and add more, or whatever the case may be. But me, I have my own criteria for investing. I like to see a company perform first, and then I'll jump in. Nvidia has performed well. You would think it would be too expensive after it went from 150 to 1,400, then did a forward stock split. But believe me, that one can go to 1,000 again. So it's never too late to get into a stock if it's going to perform well long term. And only time will tell. But I would just rather wait and see if it performs, right? Because what if 2025 comes around and they delay the chips, or maybe things don't go well? You never know what could happen. So I'd rather just wait and see and let the company prove itself first. That's just me, right? Again, your criteria might be different. You're like, I don't care about that. I believe in them, and I think they will perform. I'm going to be positive, and I'm going to assume that the best case scenario is they just get so many company brands under their name. They get so many people calling them up saying, we want your chips, we want your quantum computing, whatever. We want your technology. They're going to make hand over fist money. The stock's going to skyrocket to 100. Sure. Again, that's on you. All right, guys. That's it for the video. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to keep an eye on this one for 2025, see how it performs. Then I will do my due diligence again and see if I like what I'm seeing.